Welcome to the session, students. Are you ready for baking? So, before proceeding with the baking techniques and preparing breads and to know about variety of bakery products, first of all, we must know what are the advantages and disadvantages of bakery. Whether bakery it is only useful for us or it is going to give us the immense pleasure and enormous opportunities in this food world, or we can have some disadvantages of this bakery as well. So let's just find out what are the advantages and disadvantages of bakery in this very module. So in this session, we are going to discuss regarding bakery. We all are having so many good things in our mind when it comes for bakery. Immediately, so many things, so many products, they crop up in your mind. Whether these are breads, biscuits, buns, burgers, cakes, you just jump on listening the name of cake. So let's see what bakery is all about. And if you are planning to start a business, if you really want to launch a bakery business, you must be having the knowledge of this bakery science. So first of all, what is bakery? In scientific language, we can say that a bakery is an establishment that produces and sells flour-based foods baked in an oven, such as bread, cakes, pastries, and pies. And some retail bakeries like cafes, baking cafes, which are serving coffee and tea to the customers, and they also wish to consume the baked goods on their premises. Now, if I talk about advantages of bakery, there are immense advantages of bakery. Bakery is loaded with so many variety of products, so many ingredients with their goodness that it is going to provide us the nutrient rich diet. So there are many types of bakeries, but all of them are made from flour. Mostly they are made from flour, sugar, butter, milk, egg, and so on. And all of those stuffs give many nutrients. And flour and sugar, they are providing carbohydrates. Carbohydrates are a good source of energy for our human body. So egg and milk, they give us protein. They are rich in protein, and which is used for the production of our cells and tissues. Butter, it gives us fat, and it also lubricates the proteins and keeps our skin fresh. And for health conscious people, the best stuff is cereals, as cereal is the main part by which we come up with the baking products. And nowadays people, they have more tricks to make these products tastier, daintier. So we will have a good taste and have a good health. So these are the advantages of bakery, as we can fortify another cereals with the main cereal, that is wheat, and can get the goodness of all those cereals in the baked products. Now if I talk about the disadvantages of bakery, bread does not provide as much nutrition as we think that bread is going to provide us. It's a high sodium flour which is being used for cooking, and loads of sodium, this causes many diseases, and we are at the risk of becoming hypertensive, and so the heart diseases we can combat with the heart diseases. And cereal wheat, it is having plenty amount of gluten in it, and so many people now, they are facing the problem of gluten allergy, celiac disease. So the cause of problems with the disease, like it causes abdominal bloating, constipation, indigestion. So people who are prone to celiac disease or who are prone to gluten allergy, they cannot consume the bakery products made from wheat or gluten rich products. and increased weight class, especially if eaten in the form of cakes or burgers. So it causes lots of salt and sugar in our diet, which then results in obesity. And baking, as we know, it is being cooked in at very high temperature. So during baking, the ingredients, they somehow change their functionality and can be converted into some harmful chemicals which are really cancer causing. So these are all the disadvantages of bakery. So now you have to just write a description of your bakery idea so that we can come up with the SWOT analysis of your idea. You have to establish a bakery. You have to come up with an idea, and this can be an overview of your company or your shop or your bakery, which is including all the details, how you're planning to start it, what will be the location, and will you take it to the online platform or not. So in this session, we discussed the advantages as well as disadvantages of bakery. Thank you.